Good morning. Good morning. I hope everyone is doing well today. Preparing my hair for the day, and that won't take long. And again, thank you, subscribers, for all that you do, for your encouraging words early in the morning. Thank you. And if you're watching this video, my name is Jean G. And you always have an invitation 24/7 to join this family. We would just love to have you. So go ahead and click that notification bell and the subscription button so you'll know every time I upload a video and you can spend some time with me. Today, as I prepare to leave, I have received an order from a fellow YouTuber. I placed an order a little over a week ago, and shipping was quick. And I've opened the package at the top, but I have not opened the products. So I've opened this bag that it came in and it was shipped in, but I haven't opened the products. Now, I've ordered from this YouTuber before. She has a business on Etsy. She has several things that she sells, but just a little over a week ago, I think maybe, she did a live video, and that was Charisma. And while she was doing the live video, she was trying on some of her lip gloss, and I decided to purchase them. Now, I purchased 3 different lip gloss, and I received my packing slip with a wonderful thank you note at the top. It said, "Thanks for your order." And then it also said free gifts included. So I'm going to see what came in this package. Notice that it's Valentine's. So I got it before Valentine's Day. And it's packed in a Valentine-inspired case or bag. It says it's closed with 2 thank yous with hearts on it. She was thinking. She's trying to make my day. So I ordered 3 lip gloss in the wand, and I will show you that. She included her business card, which says Charisma for you. And there's a thank you card from Charisma, and it says, "Thank you for shopping with Charisma for you. Enjoy 10% off your next purchase," and gives me the promo code. Love your products. Share pictures. Tag us on Instagram at Charisma for You Fashion, and you may be featured on our Instagram page or website. I'm going to do that too, even though I am also featuring her on YouTube. I'll go to my Instagram page at Jean_G59 and also mention this. She also gave me a cosmetic bag so I can put them in here. I don't know the color of this one, but that's because it's a free gift. But I'm going to try it right now and see what it looks like on my lips. It looks like some sort of chocolate. And I think there's one on her website called Chocolate Kisses or something like that. It feels good. It's not sticky. And because I'm chocolate, this is chocolate, I guess it blends right on in. And now I'm going to look at the 3 that I purchased. I'm going to take a piece of hand towel and I'm going to wipe this off, because I'm going to try them all. And hopefully the name of the color is on it, but I'm not sure. It comes in a box like this. Okay. This looks like the same color as the one that I put on. So this is the wand with the chocolate candy. It's not chocolate kisses, it's chocolate candy. Yeah. You guys, it smells like chocolate. Not a strong chocolate scent, but a light chocolate scent. And it feels so good. And again, I'm going to wipe it off of my lips. I can show you just a hint of what came off of my lip the first time. My lip feels so moisturized. This is just what I wiped off. And then I ordered a cranberry kiss and love language. Now, if it's the words are not on there, I don't know which is which. So I'm just going to show you both. I'm going to call this one Cranberry Kiss, because the name of it is not on the container. I think I chose the right one for Cranberry Kiss. And it feels so good. It smells so good. And I'm going by the smell as to which one is Cranberry Kiss. I might change my mind once I try love language. That one's a bit red. Okay. Now the Cranberry Kiss, no, I said this one was going to be love language. So the love language, and I'm saying all this so Charisma can chime in later and tell me if I'm right. The love language looks like it has a bit of glitter in it. I think I'm right. Yeah, looks good. Feels good. To share that with you, just in case you were interested in getting some lip gloss, you can go to charismaforyou.com. And it's an Etsy shop. And Charisma also does fashion videos, natural hair care videos, though lately she has been mostly into fashion and her Etsy business. I purchased some what she corrected me when I said this. So they're not lock socks, but they are the long I'm going to call them a lock sock, and that's not what she calls it, for the hair. Once my hair started growing really long, then I started wearing those. But then I found a more comfortable bonnet. And this bonnet really came as a result of me ordering a lock spray for a client of mine from Dr. Locks. And this was a free gift to me. And it is reversible and very comfortable. Very comfortable. But I wanted to come in and just show you those things and let you know that that is available to you. Whenever I decide to purchase from someone, or I'm just going to say that I decide that I am going to, y'all, the word won't come to me. Patronize. There goes the word. Whenever I decided to patronize someone, and I think that the products are of good quality and I like it, I will then share it with you. And I knew that I would like these products because when I ordered from Charisma previously, she sent me a free lip gloss with my headgear. So that's why I was so confident in ordering from her again. And I just want you to know about her and know that those things are available to you, because I'm a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because he's been so good to me. God has blessed me to have wonderful people in my circle. He has blessed me that I can patronize and support others. And I should, because I know how I am supported. It's easy to love, especially when you know that you are loved. And I want to thank you for showing love to me. Have a great day. And thank you, Charisma. I love them all. I dare not leave you without doing my 360. And you saw how quick that hairstyle was. 360 right now.